Everybody, welcome again to another class. This Tuesday we're going to make a science experiment. Today I'm going to teach you how to fill a balloon with another and untraditional way. So this is brand new and I hope it doesn't explode because it's going to be so big, but it's going to be fun. Today we need baking soda. I have it here, baking soda. I'm going to put it here in my desk. Good. I'm going to use vinegar in a bottle. I have it here. Ooh, it's smelly, so be careful with your hands. After we finish this experiment, always remember to wash your hands very good. We need a funnel, we need a balloon and a teaspoon. So first of all, I'm going to take the balloon right here and I'm going to put the funnel. Be always careful that it doesn't like it is tight, because if it's loose we're going to spill everywhere the baking soda. Okay, so we're going to take the baking soda and I'm going to put 3 teaspoons. You want to see me? 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to shake this thing a little bit in order for all the baking soda to go down. I'm going to remove this, and I suggest you to do this experiment in a clean space and also with a floor that you can get a little messy, because look what's going to happen. I'm going to put the tip of the balloon in my bottle, and I need to be very careful that stays in and it doesn't move, okay? And then look what's going to happen. Do you remember what we did the other day with the colors? That we had a rainbow? It happens the same here. The baking soda with the vinegar have a reaction, so it starts to fill the balloon with air. Oh, it's so big. I guess I'm going to stop it here. And I'm going to remove the balloon from the bottle. Oops. And I'm going to tie the knot. And here it is, our final experiment. I told you that we were going to have a balloon out of vinegar and baking soda. So I hope that when you do this at home, it works just fine as this one. Always remember to be careful when we do this, because it might be too much vinegar or too much baking soda and it's going to be so big. But if not, look. So have fun doing this and see you then for another science experiment. Bye bye.